everyone, welcome back to the class. This is me, Deepa, your computer teacher. I hope you all are fine at your home. Let's start today's class. Before starting today's class, let's take a quick recap of the previous class. Good morning everyone. As you know that our previous chapter was MS Paint, and now we all know that how we open MS Paint. This is the paint window and all the things we have done in our previous class. How to draw shapes, how to draw a particular image, how to fill the color, and how to resize the image, how to cut, copy and paste the selected image, how to erase, and how to increase the size of eraser and decrease the size of eraser. All these things we have done in our previous class, and I told you that MS Paint is a drawing program in which we can draw our drawing and we can fill the color in our drawing. And in the previous class we already have learned how to insert our paint drawing on the desktop. Okay, so today we are going to start our new chapter, that is Notepad. To open Notepad, we have to click on Start button. Children, now you all are aware about Start button. This is the Start button, and always remember that Start button is located at the left hand side of the taskbar. Now one new term is there, taskbar. This is the taskbar. The bottom bar is known as taskbar, and we have two parts of taskbar. This right hand side and this is the left hand side. So on the left hand side we have Start button, and on the right hand side we have System tray, and System tray shows the current time and date. Now you can see that this System tray is showing the current date and time, and on my left hand side this is the Start button. Okay, and this is our desktop. This background is known as desktop, and these are known as icons. Can you see all these icons? This one, this one, this is the recycle bin, this is computer, recycle bin. In recycle bin all the deleted files are stored. Okay, later on I'll tell you all the things in detail, but today we will start our new chapter, that is Notepad, as I told you earlier. But before starting our new chapter, we have to learn how we will open Notepad. First, we have to click on Start button, and then All Programs, and then Accessories. These three steps are same as MS Paint. Okay. Now we have to select Notepad. Previously we select Paint because we want to open Paint. Now we will start our new chapter, that is Notepad. Then we have to click on Notepad. This is the window of Notepad. Notepad is the text editing program. Okay, it means you can write your text, but you cannot format your text. Formatting means you cannot insert the pictures, or you cannot change the color of your font. So if I want to make a simple text page or simple text program, I can use Notepad. Okay. Now a brief description of the window of Notepad. This bar, the topmost bar, is known as title bar. in each and every application or in each and every program, the topmost bar is known as title bar, and at the bottom we have taskbar. So we can say that this bar is known as title bar and this is known as taskbar. Now you can see untitled notepad. Here untitled notepad is written because my file is not saved. Later on I'll tell you how you can save your file. Okay, first let's take a brief description about the notepad window. So this is the title bar and this is the icon of notepad, and the right hand side we have control buttons, minimize button, restore button and close button, and these three buttons are same as the MS Paint window. In MS Paint, I told you that minimize button will minimize the size of window and it will shrink, and we can see it on the taskbar like this. Now you can see that our file is here on the taskbar. As I click on it, I will find the window on my screen like this. Okay, and this is the restore button. This is known as restore button. Now it will convert it maximize button. Now you can see that maximize is here. As you click on maximize button, the window will fit on the whole desktop screen like this, and this is the close button. If I want to exit from the notepad window, I have to click on close button like this. Okay, now our notepad window is closed. It is not here on the taskbar. Again I have to open notepad window. What I did, I click on start button, then click on all programs, then click on accessories and then notepad. Now you can see that notepad window is here. These are the tabs: file, edit, format, view and help. Okay, so first we will write something on the window. Now I am going to write this. Okay. Now let's learn to save a file. To save a file, we have to click on File menu and then click on Save option. Children, just listen the word I'm saying, save the file. So as the word is suggested that I want to save a file, so I have to choose save option. Okay, so I have to click on save, and remember that save option is available in file menu. Click on it. As you click on it, you will find the save dialog box like this. Here you can see that .txt is here. It means the extension of the notepad file is .txt. Now again, one new term is here for you, that is extension. What is extension? Extension is the identification of a particular file. It means if my file is related to MS Word, then I will get the extension .doc in save dialog box. If the file is related to MS Excel, then the extension of the file will be .xlsx. Okay. Now our file is related to Notepad, so our extension is .txt. Okay, one more thing is that there is no need to write the extension of the particular file. Computer will provide the extension automatically. It means there is no requirement to write the extension. Okay, according to the file, computer will provide it automatically. Now I'm going to give the name to my file like this. Okay. Now you can see that has provided us .txt extension. Okay, that it means the document is text document and the extension is .txt. It means you can easily understand that our file is related to Notepad. Now save it. Children, just look at it. Now the file is unsaved. Untitled Notepad is here. As I click on here, it means as I save the file, this untitled is replaced with the particular file name which I have given in this text box. Now I am going to click on save button. Now you can see that my file is saved with a particular name, that is Deepa1. Okay. Now I am going to close my file. If I close the file, I will exit from the Notepad window and I will be on desktop like this. Okay. Now we will learn how we can open our already saved file. It means if I have saved my file, I have to open it. So to save a file, I'm saying save a file. So I have to choose save option from file menu. Now I'm saying that I want to open my already saved file. So I have to open. The word is open. So what I have to do? I have to select open option which is available in home tab. So first, to open a file, we have to open Notepad. Yes, now Notepad window is here. As I told you that open option is available in file tab. Click on file tab, choose open because now we want to open our saved file. Open. Then choose your file. You can see that our file is here, Deepa1, which I saved earlier. Click on it. Okay. As you click on it, you will find that this option is highlighted. Okay. And you can see that the extension is .txt. It means our file is related to a text document, that is our Notepad. Open. Now you can see that this is our file which we have saved with a particular name. Okay. Now let's revise all the things again. Close it. This is your start button at the left hand side of the taskbar. This is the system tray and this background is known as desktop. These small pictures are known as icons and these are the files. Files and icons I will tell you later on. In the next class, we will discuss about icons and files. Start, all programs, accessories and then Notepad. To create a file, we have to write something on the file. Okay. And then what we learn? Save. Okay. First, this is the title bar, left hand side. On the left hand side, we have title bar and on the right hand side, we have control buttons, minimize, restore and close. Minimize will minimize the window and shrink it and we can get the window on the taskbar. Restore and this is close. Close button is used to exit the window. Okay. And now how to save a file? Click file and then save and then give the name of the file. No need to write. extension of file. Computer will provide it automatically, and then choose save option. It means click on save option. Now file is saved with a particular name, that is computer. Okay, now close it. Now revise how to open a saved file. First open Notepad, and then now we want to open a saved file. Open, right? Select the file which you want to open, and now I want to open a particular file, that is computer. Open it. Our file is here. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you. Still, if you have any problem, you can call me. Now let's move towards our today's class work. You have to write chapter number 7, and the title of the chapter is Notepad. Answer the following. Our first question is, what is the extension of Notepad? As I told you earlier that the extension of Notepad is .txt. Okay, dot is compulsory, so you have to put the dot before the extension. Okay, and as I told you, extension is the identifier of a particular file. Okay. Second question is, write the steps to open Notepad. Answer is, click on start button, then click on all programs, then click on accessories, and the last is click on Notepad. I hope everything is clear to you and you enjoyed the class. If you have any problem, you can call me, and as you finish your work, you have to send it to me. Please don't forget to send your work. Thank you.